Hello guys, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Nothing Phone 2 versus Nothing Phone 1. So let's see the full comparison video. Display, display type, display size, resolution, multi-touch, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, screen type, screen brightness, screen protection, storage, smartphone's RAM, smartphone's memory, storage type, memory slot, body design, body weight, body dimensions, body colors, SIM slot, water resistant, back design, front design, body frame, platform, has chipset, has processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, main camera megapixel, main second camera, main third camera, features, video records, selfie camera, selfie camera megapixel, camera feature, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, has positioning, NFC, Wi-Fi hotspots, radio, USB connectivity, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, heart rate, color spectrum, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack. Features: launch date, market status, result, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. If any smartphones you compare, so please comment in the video, and if you have buy this smartphones, link in the description. Also like, share and make sure to subscribe for Gadgets Compare.